The brand new Apple TV 4K 2025 is officially here, and the moment you press the power button, you realize this is not just an upgrade. It is a statement from Apple that your living room is about to change forever, because this device is not just a streamer anymore. It is turning into a compact entertainment machine that silently challenges gaming consoles, smart TVs, and even your existing home setup in ways you probably didn't expect. And that's why today we're going to dive deep into what makes this new Apple TV 4K 2025 shockingly powerful, surprisingly futuristic, and incredibly addictive once you start using it. Because Apple did not only improve the hardware, they redesigned the experience in a way that pulls you in and makes you feel like your TV finally woke up and learned how to think for itself. So let's start with what hits you instantly the moment you start scrolling through the interface. And that is the speed. This thing moves like it is running on jet fuel. Everything loads before you. Finish blinking animations, slide smoother than ever. Switching between apps feels like flipping channels, and even large apps like Apple Arcade and hefty AAA streaming titles open faster than most consoles. And the reason is simple. This year's Apple TV 4K is powered by the new A17 Pro chip, the same architecture that shocked everyone on the iPhone. But here it is tuned and optimized for a bigger screen experience, giving you console-level performance without the loud fans, without the bulky design, and without the power consumption of traditional systems. And the moment you start gaming on this device, you feel that difference, because games that used to stutter or load slowly now behave like they're running on a premium gaming machine, and the Apple TV stays cold, silent, and unbelievably efficient. Whether you're playing a fast-paced shooter, a visually heavy open-world game, or a smooth Apple Arcade title, this thing does not break a sweat. In this is exactly where Apple is taking a bold step forward, because the 2025 model positions itself as a compact gaming console for people who want high-end performance without buying a PS5 or Xbox. And here is the twist: cloud gaming support is now fully integrated and smoother, meaning you can jump into your favorite titles, stream them at high quality, and enjoy a console-like experience without needing the actual console, which is something that will attract a lot of gamers, especially casual ones who want fast fun and convenient entertainment without investing in big hardware. Now shift from gaming to movies, and the magic continues, because Apple has improved picture quality in a way you instantly notice. Even if you're not a tech expert, colors look deeper, highlights pop with more realism, shadows feel more natural, and overall the picture has that premium cinematic look that we usually associate with much more expensive home theater setups, thanks to upgraded HDR tuning, advanced Dolby Vision performance, and smarter frame optimization. The Apple TV 4K 2025 makes even old shows look cleaner, more polished, and more immersive. And if you're streaming from Apple TV Plus, Netflix, Disney, Hulu, Prime, or any other major platform, everything loads instantly, stays stable, and maintains top quality without lag or buffering, thanks to improved wireless technology and better bandwidth handling. Even in crowded networks, the Apple TV simply works better than before. And here's something most people will love: the new ambient display mode. Apple borrowed ideas from the Vision Pro and turned your TV into an intelligent living canvas. When you're not watching movies, your TV becomes a beautiful decorative piece, showing dynamic landscape, space visuals, real-world environments, calming animations, or even your personalized photos in high quality, all blended into a soft, elegant, slow movement that makes your living room feel alive. This new ambient experience gives your home a premium modern vibe without you doing anything, and the best part, consumes very little power. Then comes sound, and this one is important even if you don't use a soundbar. The built-in audio processing has been upgraded dramatically. Dialogue is clearer, background effects sound fuller, and Dolby Atmos sounds richer, wider, and more room-filling. And if you pair it with HomePods, it becomes a full immersive home theater system that beats many traditional sound setups in both clarity and balance. But one of the biggest improvements in the 2025 Apple TV is something nearly invisible, and that is upgraded AI-level recommendations. Apple has changed how content suggestions work. Instead of showing random shows, the new system genuinely learns what you enjoy and starts suggesting exactly what you want to watch before you even search for it. The recommendations feel smarter, more personal, and more helpful, which makes your binge-watching experience smoother and faster, and it saves you from the endless scrolling that wastes time and kills your mood. And here's where Apple takes another step into the future with tighter home integration. Now, your Apple TV is not just a media device, it becomes the brain of your smart home. You can control lights, AC cameras, locks, routines, and every HomeKit device using the TV interface or Siri remote. The experience is so convenient that you start using it daily without even thinking about it. And speaking of the Siri remote, Apple has finally improved responsiveness, accuracy, and reduced accidental touches, making navigation smoother and more natural. But here is something that will shock a lot of people. Apple is preparing a special mode designed for Vision OS integration, meaning in the near future your Apple TV content will interact seamlessly with Vision Pro and future Apple headsets, letting you watch shows in giant virtual cinema spaces, sync your gaming sessions, and even continue content from TV to headset and back instantly. It is a glimpse into Apple's long-term vision for home entertainment, and trust me, it is bigger than it sounds. But in all of this, the most shocking thing is the price. Apple kept it extremely competitive, making the Apple TV 4K 2025 one of the most value-packed devices in their lineup. And for people in the USA who want fast streaming console like gaming, AI, smart home control, and a premium cinematic experience without spending a fortune, this is hands down the best living room upgrade you can make this year. The Apple TV 4K 2025 is no longer just a streaming box. It has become an entertainment hub, a mini gaming console, a smart home controller, a visual art display, and a digital assistant, all packed inside a silent small box that sits under your TV, transforming every moment you spend in front of the screen. And once you use it for a few days, there is no going back. This is the future of home entertainment, and the fact that such a tiny box can deliver this much power, speed, beauty, and intelligence is exactly why Apple continues to dominate the premium home tech category. And if you're someone who watches lots of movies, streams tons of content, enjoys gaming, or simply wants a smoother, smarter, cleaner TV interface, the Apple TV 4K 2025 will instantly make your setup feel brand new and dramatically better. So whether you're upgrading from an older Apple TV, switching from another streaming box, or setting up your home theater, this device delivers an experience that is polished, fast, immersive, and unbelievably satisfying. And that is exactly why tech reviewers are calling it the best Apple TV ever made, and why millions of homes in the USA are getting ready to make this their next entertainment upgrade. In the end, the Apple TV 4K 2025 proves that the future of home entertainment does not need to be huge, loud, or complicated, because this small, quiet, and incredibly powerful box delivers the speed, quality, intelligence, and comfort that modern viewers expect. And once you experience the fast interface, the stunning visuals, the console-level gaming, and the deep smart home control, it becomes clear that this device is built to elevate your entire living room experience in a way that feels natural, effortless, and genuinely enjoyable. This is not just another streaming box. This is a complete entertainment upgrade that makes every movie night smoother, every game more thrilling, and every moment in front of your screen more immersive. And for anyone who wants a premium experience without paying premium prices, the Apple TV 4K 2025 is easily the smartest and most satisfying choice you can make today. And after using it for just a few days, you will realize that there is simply no going back, because this little box transforms your TV into something far more powerful, far more personal, and far more exciting than you ever expected.